Again, month after month keeps passing by. But are all your goals being achieved? Is your life transforming? Is everything going as you planned on the 1st of January, when the year began? If not, it's not your fault, because you're not careless. You're serious about your life. That's why you're watching this video right now. So today, we'll share the 3 most effective steps that will make you see your life transform every single day over the next 6 months, because we're not fixing surface level problems, we're solving them from the root. Step 1. Build a winner's mindset. You can't become extraordinary without struggle, and you can't survive struggle without a strong mindset. A winner's mindset means you fall, but get back up. You're tired, but you still pray. You stop complaining and start relying on Allah. Look at Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal. He was imprisoned, tortured, and publicly humiliated, all because he refused to say that the Quran was created, something the rulers forced scholars to declare. But Imam Ahmad stood firm, alone. No support, no crowd cheering him on, only his heart whispering, Allah is watching. Be patient. He was beaten so badly he couldn't stand, but his faith never broke. He chose pain in this world over regret in the next. His secret? Not his body. It was his mindset built on yaqeen, conviction, and sabre, patience. If you want to win in life, your mind must say, it's hard, but Allah is with me, and I will do it. Because in Islam, success isn't in results, it's in the effort you make for the sake of Allah. There are 2 mindsets. I want to win. I will win with Allah's help. Choose the second and build it with dua, tawakkul, and daily discipline. Step 2. Disappear, but with purpose. You don't need more motivation. You need to disappear. That means cut off distractions. Stop sharing every move on social media. Stop chasing likes and validation. Create a version of yourself that's loyal to your akhirah. Be okay with being unavailable. Prioritize your time. Say no to anything that pulls you away from Allah. Distance yourself from people who drain your iman. Yes, it'll feel lonely. Yes, people will say, you've changed. Good, that's the point. When you disappear from dunya's noise, you start hearing your fitrah again. You start hearing the Quran differently. You start feeling your du'as deeper. But don't disappear blindly. Many isolate themselves with no plan and call it healing. But that's just running away. Before you vanish, ask yourself, what version of me needs to die for my iman to grow? Be real, the sins, the mindset, the laziness in salah, write it down. What version of me will please Allah more? Disciplined, private, humble, connected to Quran, a person who cries in sujud, not just scrolls in bed. What proof will show I've truly changed in 6 months? Praying all 5 on time, leaving a haram relationship, memorizing a surah, feeling peace when no one's watching? Write your answers. Because even Umar radiallahu anh said, hold yourself accountable before you are held accountable. Don't just daydream about change, write it, plan it, make dua for it. Work silently, disappear, not to escape the world, but to meet the version of you that you want to become. Step 3. Master. These 3 habits, now your mindset is ready, your direction is clear. It's time to build habits that will actually carry you. 1. Fill your mind with value. Stop scrolling for dopamine. Watch, read, and listen to things that feed your iman and knowledge. Quran, podcasts, books, tafsir. What you consume becomes who you are. 2. Empty your mind daily. Before you sleep, reflect. What did I do today? What did I waste? Write it down, because muhasaba, self-accountability, is a sunnah of the righteous. 3. Focus your mind deeply. Choose one mission, one skill, one goal, and give it your full attention for the sake of Allah. Even one focused hour a day can change your life, but only if you're consistent. Now imagine 6 months of doing this privately. No posts, no noise, just you and Allah. Who could you become? You're not racing anyone. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. And remember, even if no one sees your effort, Allah does. Even if no one claps for your growth, He knows what you gave up for His sake. Transforming yourself is not just for success, it's a part of worship. So do it sincerely, and let the next 6 months be a gift you give to your future and your akhirah. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.